Baby, yeah, because it was giving every bit of pool party. Like, who's not going to a pool party? Girl, this hair just gives me like drunk in the bathroom. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Where's your hair from? Like, this is that. All right, guys, so this is a wig from Wiggins hair. This is a 5x5 24-inch. Of course, we had a wig cap inside. We have that brush. We have like a nice little melt belt, some very cute lashes. I ended up putting them on, and this is the wig. So this is what the wig looks like when you take it out of the package. Of course, they had net. I took the net off. As you can see, the curls are beautiful. I really love Wiggins hair. I actually bought a wig from them before. It has 3 combs on the inside, and this is a HD lace. This is what the lace looks like. Yeah, literally, like the knots were so small. Absolutely love this wig. 10 out of 10. This going. So this is like probably the first hair video. This is probably the first hair video that I have that I'm actually like talking versus voiceover. But I think I'm gonna like this better. I think this is what I should be doing, because the voiceovers just got so boring to me, and I don't know. Like, I just want to do some different things, you know, on my channel. I don't really have any spray left, like barely. But the only part that really needs to be like really sprayed good is that like 5x5 section. Oh my gosh. I've never done this before, but I think I could do this even spray for my bulk. I'ma just do it. Don't do it, girl. Does anybody else like talk in TikTok? Like, I talk in TikTok all day long, like all day. Y'all, this wig, oh my god, I'm so excited to put it on. I just know this wig. Oh my gosh, like I actually have a wig from this company that I actually bought with my money last year or a year and a half ago. The wig was banging, like, oh my god, it was so bomb. So when they hit me up to do a review, I was like, huh, I've been waiting on you, boo. All right, let's get it. Let's get it, shawty. Oh, yeah, I actually like cut my face this one day. Oh my god, it was terrible. I still have a scar. So yeah, be careful. But like, I be on to myself, like, girl, it's not worth like cutting your edges and cutting your skin off. Like, relax, not that deep. All right, so now where's my makeup brush? Brush. Thank you. What y'all think I should do? Ooh, not the arm shaking like I could cook. I hate that for me. See, like, this is like why I'm back in the gym now, because I will not be looking like I cook for the church every Sunday. No, I will not. This is the wig. Look at that bad man right here. Oh, I kind of want to do a little side business, little side part action. Is that what I want to do? I kind of don't like this side. Like, I mean, I like it, but is that really what I wanted to give? Or do I want, oh yeah, I want a middle part. I think I want to glue this just a little bit, not too much though. Put it right in there. Yeah, baby. That's how a good lace makes me feel. Like, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. If y'all had to guess where I was from based on how I talk, where y'all think I'm from? I want to know. All right. They gonna make sure you rep they set, baby. They sent the thing with the thing with what? What? This is why I love me a good 5x5, because you don't you don't have to do too much. Like, you know, I feel like being a hair influencer is like you get all of these wigs and stuff, but them frontals, like frontals back to back to back, that is just annoying. Then you gotta keep doing all of the that's better. All right. Y'all, look how wet lace. Okay. Am I going to do baby hairs with this? I might as well. All right. Shit. Not. Alrighty. I didn't even pluck this or anything. So I want that out. Ooh. I'm gonna pluck this just a little bit. Oh my god, the arm shaking. I need to go cook some chitlins and greens. All right, so I'm gonna have to re-wet this so that y'all can see like the extra, because I'm just like combing all these curls right on out. Now, why would you do that? Don't irk me. Just let me know what it is. You know what it is. Same thing. Just let me know. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at k.couture. It's the same name as here. And subscribe to my channel, folks. I want to cut this piece so bad, but it's kind of like on the lace. Dang. But this is like killing me right here. What if my whole wig just unraveled? Much better. I don't even have my little curling iron plugged in. I just sprayed my brush with that little even spray. I'm done with voiceovers. I think I want to start like doing little chit chats and stuff, because I feel like I'm like with somebody. Like I don't feel so bored, because I feel like I'm talking to y'all, and maybe y'all talking back, maybe y'all not, but in my mind, y'all my friends. So Gang gang choo choo train. Is pretty much what I'm trying to say. All right. Oh, this wig is so fat. Please, please. Hold on, let me show y'all how long this thing comes. As you can see, yeah, let me just dress it up and make it raw for y'all real quick, and yeah, bye. Baby, yeah, because it was giving every bit of pool party. Like, who's not going to a pool party? Girl, I told y'all that this hair is the bomb. Like, what? This hair just gives me like drunk in the bathroom. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Where's your hair from? Like, this is that. Oh, I'm gonna leave the link for this bathing suit in the description box too, because you know I'm trying to put y'all on and stuff, so I'll leave it in the description box for y'all. Okay. Y'all, look at this. Like, look at this hair for real. Like, let's get up on it. Look. What? Love it. 24 inches where? Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Like, I just can't. I'm just obsessed. That's about it for this video. Of course, I have the information for this wig in the description box. Also the link for this bathing suit in the description box. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at kdocouture. Like this video, comment below. Let me know what you like better, the voiceovers or when I talk, because I think I like me talking better, because I just think I like it better. Yeah, so subscribe and bye.